Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily create your own newsletter in 2023 with Canva. It's completely for free, so you don't have to be afraid that you'll be paying a lot of money. So first things first, what we have to do is log in into our Canva. I'm already logged in, but it's so easy to set up that I believe I don't have to create a tutorial, especially for this one. So let's start. First of all, we want to use this search bar and we want to write down newsletter. There are a couple of options in here, like Christmas newsletter, newsletter sign up, and the newsletter itself. Once we click there, we'll be greeted with a couple of options that we can use. Now, we have to be a little bit careful with picking the right one, since some of them are paid, some of them are considered pro, and that means that you have to subscribe to Canva on a monthly or yearly basis to get access to all the pro content. But for example, with this one, you can really get inspired of what you can do in Canva. If you choose to do, if you choose to go with this one, you just have to customize this template or star it. That means it will be considered as your favorite, and you can get to it in any time to inspire. But what we want to do right now is create a blank newsletter. Here you can still use a template, you can still use a couple of pages, the graphicons, and many options. You also see how many pages each and every newsletter has. We can also add more pages if we like to, but the golden rule is to have two newsletter pages. So let's start with a text. So we can add a text with my tutorial newsletter. Okay, we can place it in the middle. We can obviously change all the fonts like this. Okay, too complicated. As you can see as well, we have to some fonts, obviously. We have this pro option. That means we can't really use them unless we subscribe. And I'm gonna go with archival black. If we click on the background, we can change the color. We can also use the window or search window for codes for the colors. But right now, let's go with something like this. This won't hurt our eyes. Okay. And we can go to elements, for example. With this one, let's use the same color as we have. In your newsletter, you can maybe add the links that your readers or your friends will find you. But we can also go to uploads. As you can see, we have a couple of uploaded pictures. If we want to use them there, for example, as my logo, I can use it like this and put it on the bottom on the right side. We can Control C, Control V, preview, and put it on the both ends, maybe as our stamp. And let's go back to, for example, elements. And we can go with stars, we can go with photos, we can go with graphics. Obviously, I'm a guy, so I'm not maybe going to necessarily go with stars and videos, obviously graphics and all. So also we can change the background if we want to. It's completely up to you. In here we can change basically everything. Let's go and find some motivational phrases. Okay, 200 more motivational quotes. Okay, maybe that's not what I wanted. No more items. Ugh. Okay. Exactly. I'm really with this one. And we can use it like that. And this will be, for example, our newsletter. We can add elements. See all lines and shapes. Oops. Okay, this is not the one that I wanted. Oh, this one is pro. Let's go like this. Okay. Maybe like that. And step after step, we can add things that we like into it. You can obviously write something more meaningful to you. You can easily add, for example, graphics. You can add projects into it. Also, we have uploads and all the different elements that we can use. Some of them are pro, as you can see. Obviously, this won't really match of what we need, but you see that we can use like sheet of paper, and we can use it as maybe even our background. See, just like that. And yeah, that's why I really like Canva, because you can do a lot of stuff with them. And once you start and pay attention to Canva and what you can do with it, I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Canva is really great tool for you to actually make your newsletters, your web pages, and for example your t-shirts. You can create your own t-shirts with Canva and really impress all the people that you really need or want to impress. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. If you have any types of questions, please ask them underneath and I'll answer you as quickly as I can. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.